talk to me a bit about what you're doing at like Qualcomm AI Hub because I think there's some fun stuff there for the developers that want to develop on the edge
Yeah,
and they want to put models onto the edge.
yeah, I can kind of summarize that very, very quickly. So, uh, for those who are unaware, Qualcomm is the largest manufacturer of silicon in the world, and we manufacture silicon for phones, for PCs, for cars, and industrial automation, IoT devices. So we manufacture silicon for a lot of power constrained settings. And one of the one of the things that we're trying to solve is to make it extremely easy for a developer, whether that be a manufacturer of these devices or cars or phones or PCs, or someone who's building an application on these devices. We want to make their job of being able to bring the latest and greatest AI innovations to our devices as easily as possible. And we have a little saying which is they have to be able to do this within 5 minutes, within 5 lines of code. So we
Oh,
built a
wow.
system which allows people to, as soon as they finish training, they can say, "Hey, this is my model. This is the device I want to run it on," and go. And what our system does is it'll take the model, it'll translate it to how to run it most efficiently on our neural processor. It'll optimize it. We actually even have physical devices in a cloud where we'll measure performance right there. We'll run it, we'll measure accuracy, and we'll give back a result in 5 minutes and to the developer saying, okay, this model will run in 60 milliseconds on these devices. It here's how you should run it on the device. Here's
Oh,
the
cool.
model for you to download and run, and these are the performance characteristics of the model if you want to tweak it some more. And here's a link so you can look at it and share it with your colleagues so that they also understand what you're deploying. And here's an automation for you to do this programmatically in your system. So we've sort of automated the process of being able to deploy models on all our devices. And that we believe is the key to more and more innovation and more iteration and more deployments of more complex things across all our different devices. So that in a nutshell is what Qualcomm AI Hub is.